So this is the Invicta 1953, also known as reference 31290. It was released recently by Invicta, kind of just crept its way to online shops like Joma Shop, where I bought it, and it started to make waves. You know, people found out about it, and here it is. I read it in one of the Facebook watch groups, and here it is in my hands now. Arrived really quickly from Joma Shop, only 3 days. Good experience overall. I recommend them. So anyway, to the watch. It's homage to one of the first Submariners, or Tudor Submariners. It's 40 millimeters in diameter. I think the lug to lug is 48 millimeters. Has a screw down crown. I think it's fit for 200 meters diving. Not that I will take in diving, not that I dive, but anyway. It has the venerable Psycho NH35 movement, and as you can see, it also has a open case back, which I'm indifferent to, but some people don't like it. I don't care about it. I'm not gonna dive with it, and I don't know. I mean, it's not the most beautiful movement, but I guess it's something. And yeah, it's a no date model. There is, however, a ghost date when you wind the watch. When you set the watch, there's like another one setting which does nothing, but actually it does change the date that you don't see or does not exist. But anyway, so overall, I don't know. I'm getting my first impressions of it as I'm recording this video. So I resized the bracelet. Let's see how it wears on the wrist. I have around 7-inch wrist, and yeah, I think it wears pretty good, pretty well. It wears larger than 40 millimeters, I think. Yeah, I'm not sure the reason. Maybe because the dial is quite big, or the lug to lug. Anyway, the bracelet is it's pretty nice. No hair pulling so far. Actually, a little bit, but maybe I'll switch it. I don't know. The clasp feels pretty cheap. It has 4 micro adjustment holes. You see, it takes like you have to use quite a bit of force to open it, but I mean, it's solid. The bracelet is solid so far. It works with a pin system, so you gotta use one of these dudes to resize it. I took out 3 links, 2 from one side and 1 from the other. The finishing, I mean, it's nice. It's brushed, and you have like a polished here on the slopes, and there's like a rough brush here. Solid endings. I'm not sure if the endings are solid. They seem pretty firm in place. The bracelet seems to taper a little. I'm not sure what's the diameter, but so the dial is very clean. As you can see, they used I understand, the old logo of Invicta, which doesn't have those wings that some people like, some people dislike, and only, you know, I guess you can call it a 2-liner. You have 1953 in automatic. No US or Swiss made at the bottom, which is okay. I like the second hand lollipop is really at the edge, the end of the second hand. The markers seem to be applied. I'm not sure if they're printed or they are a little mushy gushy, so I don't know, I'm not sure, but anyway, it looks good. I'm gonna show you a loom shot in a bit. Glass is mineral, yeah. This watch costs like $100, so I don't expect any sapphire glass, of course. And let's see the bezel action. It's not bad. No play, a little play, but really little play. Nice click to it. Yeah, it's not bad. Signed crown with the Invicta, I think. What is it? Switzerland something? I'm not sure. Anyway, this is the watch. I will experience it for a little. Maybe I'll do a longer review. And let's show you the loom. Well, here it is, Loomy Loom. Looks pretty good. Yeah, not bad at all. As you can see, second hand lollipop is not loomed, but it's okay, I guess. Yeah, it looks really solid. You also have a loom on the loom pip, which is nice. Yeah, I guess that's it. Not much to say about this watch other than that at the moment. If you have any questions or want more pics or anything, feel free to ask me in the comments below. And thank you all for watching. Stay healthy, stay safe, and have a great day.